Yeah, welcome to Easy Learning Tutorial class. Welcome to the class. This is the question we have for this. We said a survey of 55 students in a secondary school revealed that 20 play volleyballs and 25 basketball, 30 football, and 6 play both football and volleyball. Then 10 play football and basketball. 11 play basketball and volleyball. Basketball and volleyball. That's end of the statement. Then I said, I draw a Venn diagram to illustrate this information. How many students play the 3 games? How many students play exactly 2 games? IV, how many students play 1 game? How many play football? That's V. You see, now is when we are going to apply what we have learned. We learned all about 3 sets in the other video. Now we are going to apply what we have learned on that. This is the 3 sets, which is talking about, look at what it's talking about. It's talking about what? Volleyball, basketball, and football. So what we have here, volleyball, basketball, and football. I'm going to now draw the 3 sets. It's 3 sets. That shows me, because it's 3 number, there are 3 sets. Volleyball, basketball, and football. So I'm going to do this. I draw the circle. I draw the second circle. And I take the 3rd circle. I take the 3rd circle. I will take this one. Okay? Then now, maybe I call this one volleyball. And they said, how many play volleyball? They said 20 play volleyball. That means 20 play volleyball. If I'm taking basketball to be B, I'm using B to represent basketball. And they say 25 play basketball. That's 25 play basketball. Then if I'm taking F to be football, they said what? 30 football. That's 30 play what? Football. Then I have F to be what? 30 down here. Then I'm going to represent it in Venn diagram. Look at the Venn diagram. This is what we call Venn diagram. I have put in a Venn diagram. Then mu, look at the mu. This symbol mu, which represents the total students or total students that participated in the game. This is the total students that participated in the 3 games, in all the games. The total is what? 55 students. Because they said a survey of what? 55 students in a secondary school. That's the secondary school is 55, and they participated in the what? These 3 games, in those games. So now, then back to, I have represented this and this and this. Coming to this. Watch what they said here. They said 6 play both football and volleyball. But look at that statement. 6 play both football and volleyball. Did they put only there? No. They said again, 10 play football and basketball. Did they put only in that statement? No. 11 play basketball and volleyball. Did they put only on that statement? No. And they asked me, how many play the 3 games? Then let me represent those people that play the 3 games with X. I have represented those people that play the 3 games with what? X. Look at it in the middle. Then now, I'll go back to their statement. They said, 6 play both football and volleyball. No only statement. That's, they play football and what? Volleyball. What are they talking about here? They said, 6 play both football and volleyball. Football and volleyball. Look at it. Are you going to say that? So what they are trying to tell me now, that if, assuming that I put this place to be W, what it implies is that what? W plus what? X is equals to 6. Are you going to say that? Then therefore my W, which those that play volleyball and football only, those that play football and volleyball what only, will now be what? 6 minus what? X. That means what I'm going to put here should be what? 6 minus what? X. That's what gives me only the people that play volleyball and football. Then again, they now say again in the other statement, 10 play football and basketball. 10 play football and basketball. What are they talking about? They are talking about this circle here, this particular portion here, this portion. This portion here, I'm using my hand to close. And those that play what? Basketball and football without only. And what they said? They said what? What they said? 10 play football and basketball. That means if I use N to represent this man over here, the people that play football and what? Basketball only. Look at the people that represent it. I cannot say that what? N plus what? X is equals to 10. Therefore, N is equals to what? 10 minus what? X. That means my value here should be what? 10 minus what? X. 10 minus X. Are you get what I'm saying? Then now, I come over here, they said again, 11 play basketball and volleyball. Did they put only here? No. What they are trying to tell me is this portion here, they are talking about basketball and volleyball, no only statement. That means this portion here is basketball and volleyball, no only statement. Doesn't mean that I use what? K to represent this line. It means that what? K plus what? X is equals to what? 11. Therefore, K is equals to 11 minus X. That means what I'm going to write here is 11 minus what? X. I think you are following what I'm doing. Then now, I have to use what? N to represent the people that play the volleyball only. I use my W here to represent the people that play the basketball only. I use my what? K to represent the people that play what? Football what? Only. I think you follow what I'm doing. Then now, I come over here to say, in this circle over here, look at this circle here. This circle is comprises of W plus, let me get it here so that you can see what I'm doing. W plus, what am I plus? 10 minus what? X. W plus 10 minus X. Plus what? X. Look at the X. Plus what? 11 minus what? X. And it's equals to 25. I'm talking about people in this circle. Look at it. They are all equals to what? 25. This circle is what? 25. Then now, I know that minus X plus X is, they are gone. This man is gone. It's gone. I have what? W plus what? 10 plus what? 11 minus what? X equals to what? 25. This implies that what? This plus this will give me 21. 21, I have my W minus X is equals to 25 minus what? 21. You know that this plus this is 21. Going over there, it becomes minus. And I have W minus what? X. Who is one of it minus? Is X. So it carries in minus over there. Who is one of the plus? Is W. Look at this. Plus W minus X equals to what? This plus this level 21 goes over there. Then I have that my what? My W is equals to, my W will be equals to 25 minus 20. This will give me 4 plus my what? X. That means that my what? W making it subject of formula. This minus this will give me 4. This coming over here become plus what? X. Then I've got my W. Then I cannot say as well that this circle, which is what? N plus what? N plus 11 minus X. Then plus what? X. Plus 6 minus X. You see what I'm talking about is equals to 20. Let us look at the circle. Look at the circle I'm considering. Circle of volleyball. Look at circle of volleyball, which I'm saying N plus what? 11 minus X plus what? X plus 6 minus X. So look at it. That's what I'm talking about. That circle of this what? The volleyball circle is equals to 20. Then I cannot say that this man is over there. This one is gone. I can say minus X plus X is gone. I now have, what I'm going to have here is what? N plus what? 11 plus 6 minus x equals to what? 20. Then this implies that what? N minus x is equals to 20. This plus this is what? 17 minus what? 17. Are you going to say that? This plus 6 plus 11 is 17. Going over there become minus 17. Therefore, I can now say that my n, my n is equals to what? 3 plus what? X. 3 plus x. I've got my n. Then I'm talking about my k now. My k will be what? K. Look at the circle of k. I get what I'm saying? Look at the circle of football. Circle of football. K plus 6 minus x plus what? X plus 10 minus x. I get what I'm saying? Then now, looking at them now, look, that's my circle of what? Circle of football. Then this is God. This is God. And it's equals to what? 30. I think that what they give us over here. So that is 30. It's equals to 30. Then this means that I will have this, I have k plus what? 6. This is a plus 6. Wizard of the plus here is 10. Wizard of the minus x is equals to what? 30. And that implies that my what? K minus what? X is equals to 30. This plus this is 16 minus what? 16. And this gives me that my what? K is equals to what? 16 will give me 14 plus what? X. And that's it. Then I've gotten all. Now, what did they ask me? The first question said I should draw the Venn diagram. That's I. That's the Venn diagram I. I've answered the question of I. I've represented the Venn diagram. I think you are getting what I'm saying. Then when I have represented this in Venn diagram, you have to state this. If you are talking about Venn diagram, you have to state this. What the V is. That V stands for what? Volleyball. V stands for what? Volleyball. Volleyball. You talk about what it is. And B stands for what? Basketball. Basketball. So that the marker will know what he's talking about. Then what is my word? K. My F stands for what? F stands for what? What we call it? We call F football. F stands for football. So that's all. You have stated what each of the circles represents. Then now, I'll go over to what? The second question, which says, how many students play the 3 games? I have gotten this man, gotten this man, gotten this man. How many students play the 3 games? I cannot say that 55. 55, that's my I. I'm talking about question I. 55, according to what we have learned, 55, the total, is equals to, if I'm taking this place as 20, that means my 20. I get what I'm saying now? That's this circle is 20. What remains after I have closed this circle? What remains is what? W, 10 minus x, k. I will have W plus my W plus 10 minus what? X plus what? K. That's what we have here. Let's see if I close this circle. Watch here. If I close this circle, you have what will remain. This circle is closed. Looking it over. If I close this circle like this, I have W. This circle is already 20. That's why I have 20 there. This circle is already 20. Then plus this man, plus this man, plus this man. That's what remains here. And I will have this. Are you getting it? Then now, but I have now 55 equals to 20. Then plus W. What's my W? I know my W, that's 4 plus what? X. Then plus 10 minus x plus k. What is my k? My k is 14 plus what? X. Look at my k here. 14 plus x. You will not see that what I see here is only on the one unknown, which is xx. I get what I'm saying? Before I have w and k. And that's the reason why I've been finding w and what? K. So that whenever I want to apply them, I will not find it very difficult to look for them. I get what I'm saying? That's why I was using this circle to get my w. Using this circle to get my n, using this circle to get my what? K. So that anytime I needed their value, I cannot what? Have it difficult to get them. So now, then collecting the like term, I have 20, 24, that's 4, 34, and I have 48. Look at that, 20, 24, then 34, 48. Are you getting what I'm saying now? That means that my what? 55 is equals to 48. And this man, this will destroy this. I'll have plus what x. I think you have followed what I'm talking about. Watch me. I say 20, 24, 34, 48. That's 48. This minus x plus x is gone. And I have plus x over here. This implies that my word x, making x subject of formula from this, I will have that word x is equals to 55 minus what? 48. And that's giving me that my x is what? Then 55 minus 48. That gives me 7. That gives me 7. That's my answer. And that's the people that would play the 3 games. The people that play the 3 games is what? 7. X is people that play the 3 games. That's what they asked me here. They said how many students play the 3 games? And the people that play the 3 games is what? 7 students. 7 what? Students play the 3 games. That's the 7. 7 students play the 3 games. You just put the word student over here. 7 students play the 3 games. That's our answer. Then now we'll come over here. Again, the third question said, how many students play exactly 2 games? Have you seen how what we learned in the other video, what we are applying it now? They asked us how many students play exactly 2 games. And I know that people that play exactly 2 games is this man, and this man, and this man, right? These people here, and these people here, and these people here, are the people that play exactly 2 games. So I cannot say that word. That I have the third one, I will have that word x, 11 minus x, played exactly 2 games, plus, again, 10 minus x, play exactly 2 games, then plus, 6 minus x, play exactly what? 2 games. Then I will have that this, summing it up, I have my correct my like 11, which is plus 11, plus 10, give me 21, and that give me 27. I have what? 27. Then collecting like term. This minus x again, minus x again. That what it means? What it means that I'm owing x, I'm owing again x, I'm owing against x. How many am I owing? I'm owing again 3x. That's what I'm owing. Are you get what I'm saying? That? I'm owing x, I'm owing another x, I'm owing another x. How many am I owing? I'm owing 3x. And this minus is telling me that I'm owing 3x. Then now I will have, but I have my x already. And what is my x? My x is what? 7. And I will have what? 27 minus 3 times what? 7. Which implies, this implies that what? 27 minus what? 21. And my answer is what? 6 students. That's 6 students play what? Exactly 2 games. 6 students play exactly 2 games. That was right, really trying to tell you over here that 6 students play exactly 2 games. 6 students play a what? Exactly 2 games. Then we come to IV. The question number 4 said, how many students play 1 games? How many students play 1 what? Games. I'm going to know that this man play 1 games, this man play 1 games, and this man play 1 games. I'm talking about what? IV. Come down over here. IV. I have my N, which play 1 games, then W, which play 1 game, and what? K, play 1 game, but I know my W. What is my W? I know my what? N, I mean to say, my N is what? 3 plus what x? That's my what? N. Look at it. 3. And N is equal to 3 plus x. That means I can use 3 plus x to replace my N here. I'll replace it. And who again? W. I have 4 plus x. 4 plus what x is my W. Look at it over here. My W is 4 plus x. Then what is my K? My K is what? My K, where did I get my K? 14 plus x. I have 14 plus what x. That's my what? K. I think you watch what I'm talking about. Then I can collect like 3 plus 4, 7 plus what? 14 give me 21. That makes my 21 here. Are you getting what I'm saying? You watch what I'm saying? 14 plus 4, which is 18 plus 11 plus 3 give me 21. X plus x plus x give me what? 3 what? X. Give me plus 3x. And that, but what? I have my what? X to the what? 7. I have calculated x to the what? 7. I think we have x to the what? 7. Putting it over here. Can I clean? I can clean over here. Let me clear this particular one. I can clean this to complete what we are talking about. We are in question number 4. I've calculated my x to the what? 7. Look at my x to the 7. Taking this 7 to put in x here, I have my what? 21 plus what? 3x. That implies 21 minus 3 times what? 7. 3 times, what are we talking about here? Plus, not minus, plus what? 3 times 7. And that give me equals to what? 21 plus what? 21. And that give me 42 students. 42 what? Students play what? Exactly one game. One what? Game. 42 students play what? Exactly one game. That's 3 times 7 give me 21. And this man give me what? 21 plus 21 give me 42. Then I come to V. Question number V. Question number V said, how many play football only? Football only. That's not a question. It's a cheap question to us, which we have already learned in our format. The format we did in our first video. We know that the people that play only football is K. If I'm talking about people that play only football, I'm talking about K. Then only football is my word K. And is equals to what's my K? Is 14 plus what? X. And what is my x? X is 7. 14 plus what? 7. And that gives me what? 21 students. 21 students. 21 students play exactly. Play what? Only what? Football. There are 21 students play only football. That's my V. And that's the last question over here. They may ask you other question. If you study that format, the first video I made and next, the first video you watch, if you study that format very, very well, there's no question they will ask you in the 3 sets that you will not know what to do. That's the main format, not even the example. The example is just for you to what? Practicalize what you have learned in that format. That format gives you everything, of everything about what? The 3 sets. The question they will ask you in the 3 sets. You will see the question that when they will bring probability in the 3 sets, you will also deal with them. So you can watch them, the probability set in the what? WAEC and WASC and the SSCE past question and the answers on my video on that. If you look on my video on that, on WAEC, you will see where the WAEC is asking probability on what? On the sets. But in your own now, we are dealing with only what? The sets. But if you want to watch that video on probability in sets, you can go for my video in what? WAEC, SSC and GC past questions and what? Answer video on easy learning tutorial class. If you just Google it